Next, we will discuss sample size. Sample size. The number of items or objects or individuals or members in a sample is called sample size. So, number of items or objects or individuals or members in a sample is called sample size. Very easy. The number of items or objects or individuals or member in a sample is called sample size. Similarly, population size is number of members, number of objects or number of individuals or number of items in a population is called population size. So, number of members or number of objects or number of individuals or number of items in a population is called population size. And population size may be finite or may be infinite. So, population size may be finite or infinite. For finite population, population size is finite. For infinite population, population size is infinite. Okay? So, let us take an example. Example. Let there are, here population is, there are 1000 professors in Kalyani University. Let there are 1000 professors in Kalyani University. Also let there are total 40 department in Kalyani University. Okay. Let there are 1000 professors in Kalyani University. Also let there are total 40 departments in Kalyani University. So here population is 1000. Okay, here population size 1000. Sample, let us take an sample. We choose one professor from each department. We choose one professor from each department. Since there are total 40 departments, so we choose total 40 professors. Okay. So here population is 1000 professors in Kalyani University. Also let there are 40 departments in Kalyani University. Here sample is, we choose one professor from each department. So since there are 40 departments, so total we choose 40 professors. Okay. Hence we say that here population size is 1000 and sample size is 40. Here population is finite. Okay. Here population size is finite. Since 1000 is finite number and population size is 40. Since there are 1000 members in population and there are 40 members in sample. So population size is 1000. This is finite number and sample size is 40. Okay. Next, we will discuss population data, sample data. Population data, sample data. Population data. In population data, data collects from every individual in population. So population data is data collects from every individual in population. In sample data, data collects from some individual in the population. It's called sample data. So in sample data, data collects from some individual in the population. And in population data, data collects from every individual in population. Okay. Next, we will discuss parameter and statistics. Statistic. Okay. Singular. Statistic. Parameter. First parameter. Parameter is a real valued measurable function defined on population is called parameter. Real valued measurable function defined on population is called parameter. That is, a parameter is a measure that describes the entire population. Parameter describes this entire population. Okay. Parameter is measure that describes the entire population. Okay. So definition of parameter is real valued measurable function defined on population is called parameter. that is parameter is measure that they describe the entire population. So parameter represent this population. So parameter is measures the describe the entire population. Example of parameter is population mix, mean, population variance, population standard deviation, etc. This is parameter. These are parameter. Population mean, population variance, population standard deviation, etc. Then statistic, okay, singular, not s. Statistic, no statistics. So a statistic is measure that it describes the only sample of population. Okay, that is, this is the real valued measurable function defined on sample. And parameter is real valued measurable function defined on population. And statistic is real valued measurable function defined on sample, each called statistics. And defined on population, each called parameter. Parameter represents the entire population. Statistic represent the sample. Okay. For population we use parameter. For sample we use statistic. Okay. Example: sample mean, sample variance, sample standard deviation are the example of statistic. Okay. So statistic represents sample and parameter represents population. Okay. For population we use parameter. For sample we use statistic. So definition of parameter is real valued measurable function defined on population is called parameter. And definition of statistic is real valued measurable function defined on sample. Sample is called statistic. Okay, a statistic is measured that it describe only sample. Describe only sample of population. Please remember this. Okay, parameter represents the entire population and statistic represent the sample. Population mean, population variance, population standard deviation are the examples of parameter, and sample mean, sample variance, sample standard deviation are the examples of statistic. Okay, statistic, singular sense, not s. Please look at this figure. Let this is population, this is sample, and this process collecting sample from population is sampling. Okay, this process is sampling. Let the population size be n. Here population size is capital N, that is their total number of individuals or total number of objects is capital N. Let sample size be small n, that is here total number of items or number of member is small n. Okay, so population mean, we denote the population mean by mu. We denote population mean by mu, and it is defined by mean is expectation of x. We already discussed what is expectation of x, and we already discussed expectation of x means average. Expectation of x means average. So population means so population mean is summation of individuals by total number of individuals. Okay, this is average. So population mean is, this is the formula. Please remember this formula: 1 by capital N, since capital N is the size of population. Summation over I equal to 1 to capital N, capital Xi. So this is the formula. Population mean is 1 by capital N, summation over I equal to 1 to capital N Xi. And sample mean is, it is denoted by small x bar. Mu is population mean and small x bar is sample mean. The formula of sample mean is 1 by small n, since small n be the size of sample. 1 by small n, summation over I equal to small n, 1 to small n xi. Okay, 1 by small n, summation over I equal to 1 to n xi. For example, if we calculate average height, okay, if we calculate average height, let x1 be the height of first person, x2 be the height of second person, dot dot dot, xn, x capital N is the height of capital N person. Then average height is summation height by total number of member. Here total number of member is capital N and summation height is x1, x2 dot dot x capital N. Okay. Similarly, for sample mean, let us consider there are 5 member in a sample. So sample size is 5. Okay. x1 be the height of first person, x2 be the height of second person, dot dot, x5 is the height of fifth person. So average height is x1, x2, x1 plus x2 plus dot dot x5 by 5. 5 means number of size, sample size. Yes, sample size is 5 since this sample contain 5 member. Okay, this is an example. So sample mean is average. This is the formula. Please remember this formula. Mu is population mean and small x bar is sample mean. Mu equal to average. Average means 1 by total number of member summation capital Xi, and sample mean is total number of member in sample summation small xi. Okay. Next is population variance and sample variance. We denote population variance by sigma square and we denote sample variance by a square. So we denote population variance by sigma square, we denote sample variance by a square, and it's defined by sigma square equal to 1 by capital N summation over I equal to 1 to capital N xi minus mu whole square, where mu is population mean. Okay. We already discussed formula of variance is expectation of x minus m whole square. Okay. Second order central moment. So this is the formula of variance. We already discussed expectation of x minus m whole square, and we already discussed expectation is average. So expectation of x minus m whole square is this average formula. 1 by, here m is mu, m means mu. So here m is mu, mu means mean. This is mean. So this is the formula of variance. And we already discussed expectation is a average. Expectation of any function is average. So expectation of x minus m whole square means 1 by n summation over I equal to capital N xi minus mu whole square, where mu is mean, population mean. Similarly, for sample variance, the formula is 1 by small n summation over I equal to small n xi minus small x bar whole square, where small x bar is sample mean. Okay. Just remember this formula. Please remember this. Okay. Note, if sample size increases, then sample mean approximately equal to population mean. Okay. If sample size increases, that is if small n increases, then sample mean approximately equal to population mean, that is small x bar approximately equal to mu. Okay. Example, sample is also used in exit polls. Which party will win in next election? Okay. So this process is also used in exit poll. Which party will win in next election? Okay. Please remember this.